Hello, and we are going to find the square root shortcut. Let us directly take some numbers. We shall work with these two samples, and the same technique can be applied to any kind of numbers. Now before that, you need to remember the squares of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you should also remember this, in which you can see that if the square ends in 1, then the square root will also end in 1. Or you can also see at this point, when it is 1, then the square root ends in 9. So if the last digit is 1, then you have two possibilities. The last digit of the square root will be either 1 or 9. Similarly, if the last digit of the square number has 4, for example here and also here, then the unit place of the square root can have either 2 or 8. Similarly, if you see for 9, then the unit place of the square root will have 3 or 7. For 5 will be 5 only. For 6 you can see it can be 4 also, it can be 6 also. However, this 0 is lucky, it will be 0 ending. Let's look into the numbers that we have chosen. One is 7569 and the other is 6889. Both are perfect square, let me tell you, and hence we are trying to find the square roots. Now what we have here is two pairs, right? You know that in square roots we need to take pairs. That means the square root will have two digits. By looking at the last digit, we can say what the number will be at the unit space. Since it is 9, hence the number have to be 3 or 7 in both cases, right? 3 or 7. Now look at the other pair, 75 and 68. Now 75 lies between the square of which two numbers? 8 and 9, right? That is 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. Similarly, 68 also lies between 8 square and 9 square. That means the first digit here will be 8 in both cases. But now what do we have for the units place? For that you need to multiply 8 with 9, that is equal to 72, right? Now 75 is greater than 72, hence choose the bigger number, so 7. And 68 is less than 72, hence choose the smaller number, 83. That's your square root. Done. 2, 9, 1, 6. Two pairs, right? So 2 digit. So last digit is 6, hence my number will be 4 or 6. Now 29, it lies between 5 square and 6 square, hence I have to write 5. And what is 5 into 6? It is 30. Since 29 is less than 30, we have to choose the smaller number, so my answer is 54. Let us choose another perfect square number, 5, 7, 7, 6. We need to find the square root. Two pairs, so 2 digit. Last digit 6, hence last digit will be 4 or 6. This is 57. 57 lies between 49 and 64, hence 49 is the square of 7, so 7. 7 into 8 we need to do the next number, so 7 into 8 is 56. That is 57 is greater than 56, hence we need to put 6. Simply to say, if this is greater, then put the bigger number. If this is smaller, then put the smaller number. That's it.